Hi everyone, this is Tom Melhorn again. I wanted to show you a better version of the progress reports that we can produce through Skyward. The previous one that I had shown you before did not include the grade or any kind of final letter grade, and it really didn't show much information. And we have at IT, we have someone that's working to try to create a better progress report for us, and Dylan Hartman. And so he's actually created a version 2 of the progress report, and I want to show you how to get to that right now. So you go to your main menu button, click on Reporting, and then Report. From here, go to Progress Report version 2, V2. It says currently in development, and we are also looking for any kind of feedback that might be helpful in trying to make this the best it possibly can be. So click on Run right next to Progress Report V2. And then from here, you're going to put in the information necessary to get the appropriate report. I'm going to clear this out first so you can see this from a clear screen. I want to first select the class that I want the progress report from. And I am trying to find one here that's going to help this remain confidential, because I don't want you to see some students' grades that you shouldn't have access to for the video. But I'm going to put in this person's last name so I can narrow it down. This way I could also, if I wanted to, I could keep this as simply show all values, and then I would get every single student in that class. So that might be good in the middle of the trimester, at the end of the trimester, when you want to show students their grades and print a report for every student, if you choose to go that route. But if I just want one, I have to put in their last name. And if I wanted just them, I'd have to put in their last name for the student last name range low and the range high. And then go to the grading period that they are in. Now, here's one big thing when it comes to this. What you'll have to do is you'll have to uncheck or click no on these two items. I do not know why they default to yes, but this one here, if you want to see the students' specific assignments, you have to uncheck this to no, because you don't want it to hide their assignments. You want to see their assignments. And I would also uncheck this because this says hide student assignments without score history. I want to see all the assignments on one document. So I'm going to click no to both of those. And now I should have everything that I need. I can stay this as show all values. If you want to be more specific and just show test scores, you could put in a T, and then you can click on test in this area. But I want to see all the assignments, so I'm just going to keep that as such, and then I will click run report. From here, I will get my report. The report that you're going to see is really not going to be that helpful and not going to look like what you're going to have on your screen, because I tried to keep this confidential and pick a student that did not have any grades in. He is a teaching assistant, so it makes sense there, and he's not even in my class just yet till the third try. Now, what you will see is you will see a screen like this, and so you will see that you have every single assignment. On this type of report, you also have their trimester 1 current letter grade, and so now you have all their points, their percentage on each assignment. You have a much more detailed progress report, and these probably will suit our needs much more than the progress report by student that I had shown you previously. So I would say this is the best route to go when it comes to creating your progress reports.